Hello, in today's video I will show you how to install WordPress theme from GIF format. Okay, this is my present theme is active my WordPress website and my theme name is Education Insight. Okay, and now upload GIF theme and then add new and I download the theme in my PC. Upload theme, choose file and this one, okay, and open this and install now. And before active, again we see our website and now active this new theme and again refresh my site and then what will be changed? Yes, my theme will be changed now. Okay, here is the copyright option and this theme is active now. Okay, this way you can upload theme your WordPress website. Thank you.